I only got one. I ordered two. It's not in my name, and it's coming from this website called Wayfair. And Amazon, I think, has an algorithm or AI, whatever, so they look at those messages. And so basically then Amazon contacted me and said, hey, you're violating our dropshipping policy because you're using another supplier, you're not supposed to. So then I basically had to go through this long process of, I think I wrote like 3 or 4 drafts of basically, I had to say like what I did wrong, how I plan to fix it. You know, I guess I did make up some things along the way there, but
Yeah, so you basically the one reason is why I'm doing this. So like you have left your job and started it as a full time,
yeah,
and my main focus is to for the people who really want to take the action and just
yeah,
sitting on the edge. So whether they shall take the action or not,